Hi guys, welcome to the Learning Channel on SABC.
I'm Alvin and this is my partner Jandre. Let's take a look at today's questions.
Okay, so the first question is 1.1 and it says SBAFRT times RT dt. In my opinion, if you get a question like this in the exam paper, please move along to the next question. Okay, so our second question is 1.2 and it says tan x minus 180 degrees times cos 90 degrees minus x times sin x divided by cos 360 degrees plus x times sin 180 degrees plus x. The question we're looking at isn't actually a trigonometry question, but it's actually a theoretical question. Because as you can see at the top, we got tan, cos and sin. So what happens is sin makes God very cross, which is over here, the x. And because he's cross, the reason why he's cross because we actually did a 360 degree turn. But in actual case, what God wants us to do is, because of our sin, we need to take a 180. Because if we don't do that, then we will get a heavy tan, cause of our sin. Okay, moving along to the next question. 1.3. Find x. We have a acute isosceles triangle. This triangle has A, B, and C, and it says we need to find x. This is a very simple question because x is right over here. We just found x. Okay, so now that we have found x, we're moving along to the next question.
Thank you, Jandre. Well guys, let's look at the last question. And we have what seems to be a mathematical question, but beware of questions like this in the exams, because the truth is this is a sheep in wolf's clothing. Although it seems like it's aggressive and it's going to eat you up, the actual fact is it's a sheep question because it is actually life orientation, and we all know how easy life orientation is. So let's have a look at this. It says, why wasn't my x the one? And it's quite simple from there, so let's look at that. So we say, why wasn't my x the one? Well, if we remove the y and we just take the x across to make x equal to the 1, we'll notice that the x becomes negative. And because the x is negative, you get your reason as to why your x couldn't be the 1. Because your x was a negative person, and because he was a negative person, he was not equal to the 1. And that's the answer to this question. So thanks for tuning in today, guys. And just again, once again to revise, the reason that your x was not the 1 was because he was a negative person. Thanks for tuning in, guys.
Bye-bye.